Hello everybody. Today I am going to show you how I change key battery for Honda, and there's a couple of tools that I use to access the battery. At first I didn't know what type of battery that I need. I already opened it up and looked at it and went to get the battery at local store. I need it's going to be Phillips screwdriver and Flathead screwdriver. Types of battery for this key is CR1616 3-volt battery. The next step is to flip your key over. You're going to see little screws right here. Let's go ahead and open that, loose that to access the battery compartment. Don't lose this, okay? Thing is to find a slot so you can put your flathead screwdriver. There's a little dent right here. Give it a little twist. Okay, kind of work around it a little bit. There you go. Instead of pull it up like this, just lift it slightly and push it this way, okay, towards the key. There you go. And it's going to expose the battery compartment. On this key, it has battery label. So for this key, it needs battery number CR1616 3-volt. Okay, let's open it up. There you go. Go ahead and take a look at it. This is a good time to clean it. You can use Q-tip. Okay. All around if you want to. And there's a two clip here, one on the right and one on the left. You can either use your flathead screwdriver to kind of open it, okay, or you can use your finger to open it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to open one side first. Okay, you can hear that pop. And I'm gonna push it out a little bit and kind of push down, and it exposed the battery. And to get the battery out, you can use your small flathead screwdriver. There's little slots right here. Okay. You can put your flathead screwdriver under with your finger on top. Just give it a little lift and it's out. Okay. And to put the battery back in, okay, the same way you took it out, just flip them and push it to the spring, okay, and push it down a little bit. Use your finger, kind of tap around, make sure it sits correctly. And put this back on. You can't go wrong. You can tell the shapes. Also, there's a seal here. Make sure you don't damage that seal, okay? And I'm gonna lie up between the metal here. Should they have the contact? And I'll put one in first. And then the other one's in. And then pop it in, give it a little push. Do inspection to make sure it sits on the seal. There's no leak. Put it back into the housing. Again, you can't go wrong. Look at the shape. Put your fingers under to support. Okay. And then put the battery housing back on. There you go. Just inspect. See if it goes in its place. If you're satisfied, you're happy with it, go ahead and put the cover back on. Okay, so there's a clip here at the end of the key. Make sure you put the clip, put it into the clip. Okay, and slightly push. There you go. Put the screw back on. Don't over tight. It's plastic, it can break. Just enough to hold the cover to the key. Looks like it's good. That's it. You're done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.